Page 130, Barcarolle. This is another lead sheet. They give you the melody and the chords and you make up the accompaniment. This one is in 6/8 time as a kicker here. So first thing to do, of course, is to get the melody. Well, there's no sharps or flats. We're in the key of A minor here. Right hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5. Just make sure you can get this melody. Let's go down to measure 9. You lift up here because you end measure 8 here and you lift up. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try and get these notes down at the same time. And that line, by the way, is repeated, so you have to play it twice. And then the last line is the same as the first, pretty much. So that's the melody. Once you get that, now let's make sure we know the chords. Well, we got a C chord and a G7, which is the 5/7 chord. On the one chord, we're doing those. Now, I don't see any other chords, just these two. Well, okay. Now try them together with just block chords here. You can do one chord per measure or one chord for every 3 beats. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you stay with a chord until they give you something else. So you just stick with it. And once you can get the block chords, then we can maybe ease them up a little bit. They give you a pattern on 131, page 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. It's a broken chord pattern. It's fine. Try that. And the last one, you keep doing that. The last measure in their example would be more for the very end when it's over. I would save that for the end. I wouldn't do it in the middle. I would just keep doing that pattern. Or other patterns. Well, you can feel this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That works out because there's 3 notes in the chord. So it's another pattern. It's up to you on your pattern you want to use. Try different things. You don't have to stick with 8th notes. You can do. Try the rhythm. To experiment with the rhythm. Change it up a bit. See what your imagination can come up with. If you like the sound of it, that's close enough. Now on this piece, this is an orchestra piece, it'd be nice to, the showing pedal, you don't have to have pedal, you can do fine without it, but pedal's good. That's okay. They're changing it every 3 beats. It's overlapping pedal. I tend to not pedal like in those patterns where you have 3/8 notes. I tend not to pedal those because I don't want them smeared. It's a swing. It's not supposed to get out of control here. Just keep it clean. So again. You have to experiment with the pedal with the sounds you want. And just make sure the pedal is helping you out. Don't just automatically pedal everything. Ugh, don't, please. I'm not going to do a play with me or anything on it because it's up to you on what you do with the accompaniment. So